Hello viewers. So today I'm gonna prepare some turkey neck. Yes, some turkey neck, and I would have never cooked this before. And I'll tell you a story how I ended up getting this turkey neck. But let me run through my ingredients first, and while I'm preparing or seasoning the meat, I'll give you the story. Right. So of course, my main ingredients is the turkey neck, some browning. I have some leek. Yeah, leek, and leek is quite an interesting vegetable. Leek help to protect your heart. It increases the strength of your immune system. It's vital for your nervous system, and it also improves your vision. So yeah, if you have never cooked with leek, I would suggest you use that. Right, so I have some green bell peppers, some yellow bell pepper, as well as a red one. I have a onion, I have garlic, I have some green chili, scotch bonnet pepper. Love cooking with scotch bonnet pepper as well. Spring onion, I have ginger, and I have some olive oil. Now for my dry ingredients across here, I have some jerk seasoning, some everyday seasoning, some paprika, I have some salt, and some jerk seasoning paste. So this will be my ingredients. And basically, I will just chop up the vegetables and then just add it to the meat, add the dry ingredients to the meat as well, just rub everything in, and then I'll leave it at least overnight, maybe tomorrow, maybe the following day I'll cook it. My meat, and I'm gonna just add some browning, not a lot, it's just to give a bit of color to the meat when it's cooked. Almost get away. And I'll just add the dry ingredients in, just get everything in. And for the purposes of this video, what I've done, I've gone ahead and diced all the vegetables I'm going to use on this. And just put these away. And what I'm going to do here is just rub this in. Now, as I mentioned to you before about how I end up with this turkey neck, is that I was on the road and my wife asked me to get some steak at the butcher's. And when I went into the butcher's, I saw this meat and it looks like oxtail, but it wasn't oxtail. So I asked the butcher, what is that? And he said, oh, it's turkey neck. And you know, I remember as a child growing up, I used to have turkey neck at home. It used to be very nice, I used to enjoy it. And so, you know what, there's no way I'm gonna make this opportunity to, because this is what would have been the first time I actually saw it in the shops selling. So I wouldn't allow this opportunity to miss me. So yes, so as you see, I rub all my ingredients in. What I'm gonna do is just to I'm gonna put this in a glass bowl, wrap it up, and then put it in the fridge. Right, so I'm just going to use some cream film to wrap this glass bowl with the meat, so all that flavor of the vegetables, the spices, everything will be locked for maybe a day or two. So you imagine when this gets soaked in, marinated, how nice this will be. 24 hours later, I'm going to cook my turkey neck. So basically, I'm going to use a bit of olive oil, not a lot, just to grease the pan. One more thing, because I've never really done this before, is to slow cook this. So once the oil is heated, I'm just gonna add everything from this glass bowl in the pot and then turn it on a very low flame. Not too sure how long it will take, but what I'm hoping to achieve is, you know, meat just very tender, coming off the bone, very juicy, very delicious. So I think this oil, I don't want it to really hot, so I'm just gonna add this now. Yeah. Good for everything. Just want to out of the thing, just put it down inside there. Everything is even, nice and easy. Just a bit of seasoning left, and just a little bit of water. I'm not gonna add any more water to that, any more of the liquid. So as it is now, this is good for me. I'm just gonna put the lid on top of put the lid on and allow it to slow cook, just like that. This is about halfway through the cooking process at the moment. If you look, it's on a low flame, the meat is getting tenderized, the gravy is thickening. Wow, this looks absolutely delicious. A few minutes or so is to add some carrots, and after that I'll add the butter beans. So the meat is now cooked. As you can see, it's just, you know, simmering down. Looks really delicious. You know, the contrast of colors with the carrot, the butter bean. Wow. And of course as well, the gravy look really nice, really thick. And I'm gonna have this with some yam, some dumpling, some boiled green banana and all of that. So wow, I can't wait to taste it now. So the baked beans are in, the carrots are in. I'll just give it a nice little stir. You can see the gravy is very well. I didn't expect that the gravy would be so thick, so this really more water in, as you can see. And the meat is tender. The spoon is actually cut into the meat, so the meat is coming off the bones. Wow, good result, I guess. Yeah, I'm happy with this. So can't wait to tuck in now. So I'm gonna have this with some dumplings, some boiled green banana, some yam. You know, my turkey neck is now cooked, and I'm gonna have a taste. Wow, this really look delicious. Really look delicious. Let me try a piece of the banana with some of the gravy. Wow. Wow. Let me try a piece of the turkey neck. As you can see, it's very tender. Oh, just coming off the bone, really soft and nice. Wow, some of the butter beans. Wow, this is proper soul food. If you like my video, please leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.